Cosmic microwave background polarimetry might sound complex, but it's a window into the universe's dawn. After the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, dense plasma soup. As it expanded and cooled, photons escaped, creating the cosmic microwave background, CMB, a relic we can still observe today. But there's more than meets the eye. CMB polarimetry looks at how this ancient light is polarized, revealing the first hints of cosmic inflation and gravitational waves. By studying these patterns, scientists uncover details about the universe's birth and its fundamental structure. As we decode these primordial signals, we step closer to understanding why our universe is the way it is. Follow us for more cosmic revelations on your journey through the universe's captivating history.